Wow! Hello everyone. Finally I decided to film a vlog for you. So welcome to the Fitness News channel. And today we're going to have a kimbap day. And I want to show you with the details how we're going to enjoy, chill out together and hang out as well. So keep tuned. So we are gonna gather with guys, and right now I'm heading to the place that we decided to meet. So yeah, I got only 5 minutes. That's why I gotta run. So see you in the barbecue place. You can see some people. As you can see, some people already going. Yeah. Basically, we started to walk to the beach. So let's go and just enjoy. Cuidado, cuidado, es lo que estamos haciendo. Ay, le valió. Sí, se movió. Love, would you like to be in my vlog?
Yeah, sure.
Say something.
Hello. It's a very nice day today. It's a huge pleasure to contribute to this Jusa walk. I believe that every person that came here today came here to make a change, not only to walk, but also with a deeper purpose. My deeper purpose for today was to have breakfast because I am too lazy to cook at home, prepare the stove, prepare the oil, and so on. Therefore, I rather prefer that Jusa prepares the barbecue, makes the fire, and I just put my meat over there and let it grill. So that's my purpose for today. Let's meet everyone else's purpose.
Let's go! So you have heard you watched the last interview, and now we are just still walking. I don't know how much miles is it, but yeah, we're still walking. It's really hot. It's already March and I have to get rid of this. So look at the view. This is so beautiful. Can you see that? I mean, can you see the mountains? They are not that much swim, but I will film them as well. So it's sunny day. It's very good day. It's for barbecue. Yeah, I don't know what else should I talk about, but yeah, is it? So I hope I just pronounced that correctly, Swedish people, if you are watching me. Hello. So yeah, and here we have got a lot of flowers. You see flowers? Oh my god, and they're just along the way. That's very good and that's very nice. So I got my backpack, I got my stuff, I got my meat, I got my veggies. I'm gonna make barbecue. Real Azerbaijani barbecue. So that's why watch till the end. You see how beautiful it is. And people are going and I'm just following them. Yeah. Imagine I have seen here a duck, even though two ducks. Look at this cutie. So beautiful. Here's another, but this one is more really beautiful than other. Here I have seen this kind of thing where depicted many pictures. And they're actually cool. You see? Egyptians. Let's go. So guys, we are still walking. This is a not, let's say, short way to go to reach that place. I just have to go and go. So little by little, but we will reach that place. No worries. Just wait a little bit. Guys, hey, what do you think about today? So we did a sun.
Nice.
Nice weather, you know.
Yeah, nice walk.
Yay! Hey, so we're going to do where?
The volleyball court.
Yes, and
Volleyball. Barbecue.
yay! Let's go!
You guys hungry?
Let's go.
What are you gonna use to set the fire to the charcoals or hold on? Well, that's why I think we should stack this first.
So we arrived and we are just waiting now for barbecue.
So like they sell it here, like in normal. It's like a cupcake.
Ah, yeah, but those ones are like, I don't know, if you
It doesn't smell like cupcake. Like I don't. It does leave a nice color on your shoe, though.
Yeah,
I can see that now.
and it's not.
Family time.
Oh, good one.
Yeah, a lot of restraint. No, fuck no.
No, this liquid. Oppa!
Don't get it.
Don't make it fully burned.
And we met here in the same program. And we were in a project together. We didn't know. And then we met each other. And I started speaking.
This is so delicious, guys.
Yep.
Right now, finally, I'm making a barbecue in Azerbaijani style, and it looks like this.
Creo que ahora sí ya está, Mini sausage, like same shit, bro. But it's different than this sausage, bro. So much better.
Yeah, no, it's like the 15.
Guys, kebab is ready, as you can see. And kebab, Azerbaijani kebab, and this view. So let's just go and continue with the veggies.
Like I just woke up, like, have more sleep. I need my quiet.
So, Mister, what are you currently doing?
I'm making breakfast finally. at 3 p.m. I can finally enjoy my first meal of the day. The weather betrayed us a bit.
lying? You already ate.
And what?
He's lying. He already ate. This is not your first meal.
No, now I'm making my first. No, I didn't eat. Well, lucky this is my breakfast.
5 seconds ago.
Yeah, cigarettes for appetizer. That's different.
No, that's breakfast. This is lunch.
Thank you. So, what do you think about this debate, Mister?
The debate wasn't very constructive, but it's fine because today debates are not done to be constructive. They are done to connect with people, and connecting is currently the most important thing
Okay,
that
and
matters in this hangout.
that's very right. And we have here some bread.
We have meat, we have vegetables, we have good vibes, we have music, we have the lake, we have volleyball, everything.
Nice, let's go!
Yeah.
Guys,
Hello.
how are you? How are you feeling today?
Super good. You?
Det var en bra dag.
Yes! Do you like being here?
Yeah, it's super fun. I enjoy it.
And you?
Det var en bra dag.
Yay, let's go!
Papa. Boom.
Rate loves.
Okay, let's
10
rate
out
it.
of 10.
But you didn't try.
Then it's little. Oh, no, the first bite is yours.
Aha, okay. Let's see.
So,
Priceless. Priceless.
But does he know the reason?